about 12 feet?
Do you think I should do it? I listen to Dave.
How about out further?
I don't know, man.
Alright.
I try to scramble over to these smaller
No?
ones.
What if I jump from like down here?
No? There's no difference.
12 feet? 12 feet?
I mean, if you touch the bottom,
Wait, you're getting more towards where he is, right? You're not jumping. He hasn't checked out that way.
I'm gonna like. That's what I'm doing.
Feet first.
Feet first?
Feet first.
Feet first.
Oh fuck! Ah!
Did you touch the bottom?
I did not touch the bottom.
Yes!
Really?
Did you get that on video, Davey?
Yeah, I got
Is
it.
that on video? Oh shoot! Pause it before.
I like when Alan says the F word.
I could use something in my ear though.
Oh, yeah. It's gonna be tough to get up there. I can.
You forgot to scream. One more time.
Alright. I'm gonna have to do it.
Oh.
Woo!
Oh, you
That was a long time to be in the air.
It did. Oh, come on! We pioneered. I'm going. All right.
Are you gonna do it?
Where am I aiming for?
Just water?
Did you see where Dave hit? Not really.
Just out here, right?
I went kind of this way, straight out from the point a little bit.
From the point, yeah.
As deep and as far as you can go in. And then once you get to the water, it's one time around and twist.
Show us.
That mean you're recording?
Yes.
Alright.
Ready.
Sweet Jesus! Sweet Jesus!
Yeah!
Oh, baby!
All right, Davey, do you want me to record you?
This is the look of a black-caped, bearded pirate before he plunges into oblivion.
You gonna be
Just like that.
just like that. All right, ready, set, go.
And then you jab in, and you come around, you pull! Sweet Jesus!
Chin to the water, Alan.
What's that?
That was a little bit of hand slap and face action.
That was.
I think that he's gonna be